righty. Hey Maggie, what are you doing? I don't know. Just solving the Rubik's cubes. There we go. I beat my records. Whoa, that's so cool. Can I try? Okay, I guess so. Yeah, you can try it. Yeah, you can try it. Eddie, what's this? That's a 5x5. Oh, it's a 5 cube. Okay, can I scramble it? Yeah, sure. It doesn't take me that long. Alright, I'm scrambling it. Alright. There we go. Alright. There we go. Mario? What, Luigi? What have you done? It's okay. We can fix it. Right? Right? We can fix it. We're gonna do it. It's just, as you can see here, I'm not breaking it. Look, I can put it in. Sorry, cameraman. Why'd you knock me over? It was an accident. I'm just running away from Mario. Am I catching up to him? Am I even close? No. I gotta fix this real quick. So that goes there. I don't know what to do. Whatever. I think we can do some sort of magic trick like this. It works! It worked! Mario, please don't hurt me! You fixed it? Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Ah! What? I got an impossible case. Like, you literally can't solve it. Luigi, you put the pieces in the wrong place. Well, it was not my fault. It was scrambled. Yes, it was actually. You're the one that scrambled it. Oh. I'm gonna get you out. Oh no. Luigi, stop breaking my cubes. Luigi. Oh, come on. Don't act like you're asleep. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up! Oh! Sorry, Mario. I'll fix your cube for you. Yeah, I'll fix it while you're not looking. I'm totally gonna fix it. Yeah. I'm gonna fix it. Bye. I'm gonna fix it. Stop looking at me, cameraman. Okay. Alright, my dear. I fixed it. Alright. Oh, it's solved. Oh, thank you, Luigi. You're welcome. Look at red. You think I'm gonna have red eyes after that? No. Ooh, I don't wanna be short. Help me. I'm short. Hello, short. Nice, Luigi. Oh! Sandwich.